In this video, I'm going to show you in two parts how to create an ornament for anything, a Baby First Christmas or Merry Christmas 2022, or you know, whichever would be the one that you want to create. But we're going to create something like this. I also did another one with this stocking, and here's an image of it. So the first video, we're gonna go ahead and create the letters and cut the image together in the sizes and all of that. And then we're gonna go in the second part, we're gonna go ahead and finish it up. I found this at Michael's. Today is the day after Thanksgiving, so they have Black Friday. And these were, some of them are $1.99. and some of them are $2.49. Just a few of them are $2.49, but I got them at 60% off. So they have, you know, things like this. Let me just show you really quickly where you can, and I'm gonna gift it. You can actually do both sides or one side, but we're gonna go ahead and work on one side right now. So let me clear the table, and the first time we're gonna go to my screen on my computer. For this ornament that we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and take off the background on our image. So we're gonna go ahead and use remove.bg, and then we're going to upload our image. And this is the image that it was sent to me. So we're going to go ahead and pick that. And there it is. So I see the mama's fingers here, so I'm going to try to erase that. So I'm going to use the erase and restore, and we're going to go ahead and chop off her fingers. Try to go slow, so that we don't chop up too much. Okay, so that's one side, and here's her other finger. So we gotta be careful that we don't chop up the baby, the baby's cheek. So we just do a little here and just a little bit here. We need to go smaller so that we don't take off too much. I did too much, so I go back. Give it back the chunk of his cheek that I took off. And I think that's good enough. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to download it. I'm going to download the image. So it's downloading right now. Now I'm going to check on my downloads, and here it is, the image. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and close this, and I'm going to go to my quick cut. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to upload it. Go browse. We're going to go to the downloads. Here's the image. So here we have this little baby boy. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop it. So I'm just going to go like maybe on the second one and right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just that. And I'm going to go apply, continue. And then we're going to go print, then cut image, and we're going to upload it. So here's our image. There we go. Okay. So now our image needs to be, needs to be 1.87, just like this one. So we're going to go ahead and that's the height. Is going to be 1.87. Enter. So that's our image right there. And then we're going to go ahead and put his name. And I have this font is analog script. And I may need to make the name a little more manly because he's a boy. So his name is Jason Rafael Aguayo. So we're going to go ahead and put baby. And then we're going to go ahead and look for the font we want. I think I want to go ahead and use the font that I use in general, which is Century MTSTD. So this is the one, baby, and then I'm going to go ahead and copy these, duplicate it, and then right here I'm going to put Jason. So we're going to go ahead and put it right there. So now we're going to grab this and we're going to make it 0.36. And then we're going to make this one the same size, 0.36 right there. And I think I want to make him red as well. So we're going to go red. And we're going to go red. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put baby. And then we're going to go ahead and get another text, and we're going to go ahead and put First Christmas. So this one needs to be on the top of the ornament tree is 3 inches. So I'm going to make it 2 3/4 on the width. So this one is 0.3 because this one is 2.75, so automatically gives you that. So then this one is going to fit right in the bottom of the tree, and then we're going to go ahead and have it down there, and we also going to have it in red. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and set this aside, and we can put this together. Okay, so here you go, make it. There it is. So you're going to go continue. And it's going to say send to printer right there. So then we're going to use an inkjet. You need to use an inkjet so that when you put the resin on top, it doesn't run the colors. So you want one copy, and you need to take this off, otherwise the letters are going to be super thick. So we're going to go ahead and take that off, and we're going to go ahead and print it. Now we're printing that, but we're not going to cut it. We're going to cut that by hand. So I'll go ahead and see you at the table so we can do that together.